Hi, my name is Michelle. I got invisalign, crowns, and a bridge done. I had some teeth missing. I had a crown in the front that was pretty much a cavity, and I didn't like to smile. And went to several dentists, and every single time there was always something different, or they had to do different procedures. And I was just over it. And I was scared, to be honest. My confidence was actually really low. All my pictures that I'd taken was just like closed mouth. And looking at my friends' teeth, seeing that they actually had perfect teeth, and I'm just like, I really want that. And I just broke down, and I'm just like, I need to actually, because my teeth were breaking when I was eating food, and I was like, that's the last straw. I need to find a dentist.
Michelle was a patient that came to us. I believe she had a dental emergency to start, but when we sat her down for her first appointment, we identified all the areas that she needed help with and coming up with a plan for her. She was very happy with everything that you saw and all the information that she received from us, and she decided to move forward with her treatment.
My first time coming here, they actually explained everything. The staff is amazing. I certainly see a lot of different ones, but the same ones that I do see, they're amazing. They're very helpful, always willing to help you out, especially with letting you know how your procedure is going to be done, especially when you actually have to have a needle in your mouth. They tell you what's going to happen at that moment, and it eases your pain. I feel like my teeth are very straight, and I'm still going through the process. I'm almost done. You'll see me taking more pictures, looking in the mirror, and being able to smile more, especially. Be able to show off my teeth to my friends and family, and then tell them who to actually go to, because I wouldn't go to another dentist at all.